alphabet instruments. An accordion starts with the letter A. It's played in a funny way. A. Letter A. Grab your partner, y'all. It's time to play the banjo. Banjo starts with the letter B. A clarinet sounds sweet. It starts with the letter C. The drum is for letter D. This sound makes me happy. Letter D. A euphonium sound is deep, but it starts with the letter E. Letter E. F is for flute. A flute is lovely like a flower. Watch out, here comes the showers. Letter F. G is for guitar. Guitars are groovy. Letter G. Harmonica is for H. Letter H. I is for Irish bouzouki. Letter I. J is for Jembe. Letter J. K is for Kebero. Letter K. L is for Lute. Letter L. M is for Mandolin. Letter M. N is for Nyckelharpa. Letter N. O is for organ. Letter O. P is for piano. Letter P. Q is for Quena. Letter Q. R is for recorder. Letter R. S is for saxophone. Letter S. T is for triangle. Letter T. U is for ukulele. Letter U. V is for violin. Letter V. W is for wood block. Letter W. X is for xylophone. Letter X. Y is for uaken. Letter Y. Z is for zither. Letter Z.